This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Halloween hand sanitizer treat box using the Hello Pumpkin September 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Not only are these quick and easy, but also they can be customized to other occasions as well, and you just change out the hand sanitizers that are found in Bath and Body Works. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the Hello Pumpkin September 20 Paper Pumpkin Kit, and this kit came with everything you need to make 20 cracker style Halloween treat boxes. I've already made 2. This is one of them. This is one of the patterns, and this one says trick or treat, spooky or sweet, and you put your candy on the inside. And then this is the second one using a pumpkin pie diagonal pattern. And this one says trick or treat, spooky and sweet also. And it has the cat on it and a jack-o'-lantern. And again, the candy goes on the inside. Well, using a pattern provided by Rachel Tesman on the Paper Pumpkin fan page, I made one of these Halloween treat box hand sanitizer boxes. And the hand sanitizer fits on the inside, and then here's the front. It says, "Have a happy Halloween." And that just gives you something else to do with your boxes instead of putting candy. So what you want to do is you're going to take 2 of the boxes. I'm going to lay this out so you can see where to cut this. You need 2 of these. And what you want to do is put this in your paper trimmer. At the top, you're going to cut this at 3 1/2, and then you're going to turn it, and then you're going to cut it at 5 3/8. So again, you need 2 of these. So here's my first one. Slide this over so you can see the whole thing. And then here's my second one. Again, put it in your paper trimmer. At the top, cut it at 3 1/2, then turn it and cut it at 5 3/8. So we don't need these pieces anymore. So I'm going to take these away. All right, so now we're going to put these pieces together. Now I want the orange side out, the pumpkin pie diagonal side out, so I'm going to turn this on the back. And if you look closely, this will punch out. I don't want that to punch out. So what I'm going to do is just take a little piece of tape, clear piece of tape, and just hold that down because I don't want it to punch out. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to put it here. And then down at the bottom, there's another triangle that will punch out here and here. So I'm just going to put another piece of tape on both of those pieces as well. I don't want those pieces to punch out. Those are going to make the middle flaps for this hand sanitizer treat box. All right, so now we're going to put these together. I'm simply going to place this on top and line it up. See where it's going to go? All right, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to add adhesive here and here. Now the kit itself had adhesive in it, but since I'm using a hand sanitizer, I really want it to be stable, so I'm just going to put a piece of tear and tape here and a piece of tear and tape here. Then I'm going to peel up these pieces. Then I'm just going to lay these on top. Just line them up. Press it down. And now you're going to have your hand sanitizer box base. So now what I want to do is take a bone folder and go over all the score lines. And you can fold these back and forth, make them good and crisp. And you can see how this is going to pop in together. Now I also want to go over these crease lines on the flaps. All right, excuse me. Now we're going to come back with some more tear and tape. And I almost forgot that I wanted the pumpkin pie side to be out, so let me just flip these flaps over. All right, now we're just going to take some more tear and tape. And then we're going to fold these over. And you see they just line up. That's what makes it so easy. All right, so then these flaps are going to fold in. And I'm just going to take another piece of tear and tape. I'll put it on this bottom piece here. Okay, now we just fold these in and fold this down. And then I'll take my bone folder and just get on the inside here. And just really get in there and get it secure. Oop, I may have shifted it a little bit. Let me move it over. Yep, I did. All right, let's go back and do this again. And there you have it. You got your hand sanitizer box base. All right, so now what we want to do, you can find these little hand sanitizers at Bath and Body Works. They usually have a special where you can get like 5 for $20, and they have different kinds. So this one is like a little, it says Ghoul Friends. And I'm just going to put this on the inside. And then what I've done is taken one of the tags that's included in the kit, and I've stamped it with the Happy Halloween. And I've just taken a little hole punch and punched a hole. This black twine is also in the kit. I'm just going to wrap this around. This in a bow. And you know what? I want this a little bit tighter. Let me just pull it a little bit more. There we go. And we'll go back and do our bow. Oops. Okay. Now I'm just going to trim off the ends. Now we're just going to decorate the front. What I've done is I've punched a 2-inch circle in basic black and a 1 3/4 circle in whisper white. If you don't have a 2-inch punch or 1 3/4 circle punch, you can use the layering circle dies in your Stampin' Cut and big embossing machine to die cut them out. And what I've did is I've added a dimensional to the whisper white piece to the basic black piece. Okay, this is going to go on the front, so I'm just going to add some little adhesive. I'm just going to put this on the front. Okay, now I'm taking one of the die cuts from the kit. This has the double pumpkins, and what I'm going to do is take black Memento ink and stamp a jack-o'-lantern face on both sides. And this stamp is in the kit. Now we'll do the smallest pumpkin. Then I'm going to take Stampin' Dimensionals, put this on the back. Put this in the center. And then what I want to do is add one of the witch hat die cuts. I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of this. Put it on just like so. And then I want to add one of the flower die cuts. This kit had so much extras. I was really impressed. Then I'm going to add one of these little curly cue pieces that's in the kit. Just a little something extra. Makes it really cute. Move my tag over some. Oops. Let's get in there. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to finish it off by adding a rhinestone basic jewel to the flower. Let me see if I can slide this over some. There we go. And there you have it. A Halloween hand sanitizer treat box using the Hello Pumpkin September 2020 paper pumpkin kit. A cute alternative if you don't want to use candy. I hope you like this project. If you'd like to see more of my projects, you can visit me at www.peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can order from me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. You can find me on Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. You can also find me on Pinterest at Peanuts and Pepper Paper Crafting, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for stopping by, and happy stamping.